Hi, and welcome to another one of the Bowen Wanderers Walk. Today's walk is at Westwood Lake Park.
Our meeting point is near the beach ramp by the first parking lot.
The trail at this park is approximately 6 kilometers. We usually do this walk in a clockwise direction. Come on, let's go. Yeah, this first leg of the hike is pretty well forested, but there is some elevation change. We do have to go up over this knoll, and you have to watch your footing as there's loose rocks as well as tree roots. So actually hiking poles would be quite useful here.
The views from the knoll are well worth the effort though. The trail levels out after this for a moderately easy walk.
Also, in the rainy season, well, the trail does get a bit muddy.
Take advantage of the benches to rest and enjoy views of the lake. Fun fact about Westwood Lake is that it is not a natural lake. This lake was once a dairy farm owned by the Westwood family. The Nanaimo Electric Company constructed a dam in the early 1900s. This was to create a reservoir to generate hydroelectricity. A good part of the trail follows the shore of the lake and is quite picturesque. This park is very popular. You'll come across dog walkers and joggers. Many cyclists come here too, so keep an eye out and share the trail. There are 2 beaches at the entrance that are very popular during the warmer months. There are washroom facilities at the entrance of the park.